Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be a unboxing and first impressions of JBL's Flip 3 portable Bluetooth speaker. This is not the newest Flip speaker from JBL. They have a Flip 4, but this is the one that my funding allowed me to acquire at the time of checking out, so this is what I went with. On the back of the box, it says it's Bluetooth, obviously. It has 10 hours of playtime. It's got a speakerphone function, and it's also splash proof. And then on the side it tells you about their JBL Connect app, which is basically like Bluetooth 5.0 for devices that don't support it. You can put two JBL speakers next to each other and connect them, and then connect through your phone, and then play a song through both of those speakers simultaneously. I haven't tried that out. I'm not trying that out in this video because I don't have two Flip 3s. So, yeah. And then again, it says it's splash proof. If it gets rained on, or if you wash it off in the sink, it should be fine. So, let's open it up. It's got a nice little pull tab on this side, and the magnets come off, and it flips open. No pun intended. It's got some really nice presentation here. So you pull this up, and then there's just foam underneath this. And then we have the Flip 3 itself, as well as a very vibrant orange flat JBL branded micro USB cable. We get some literature on the speaker. Let me just open that real quick. You get your quick start guide, your warranty card, some Asian language that I don't understand. You get some safety instructions in case you don't know what you're doing. Alright, so I'm going to put the literature back, and put the cable back as well. And now let's take a look at the Flip 3 itself. And there's nothing under it, so I'll put the top back on, flip it closed, and put this off to the side. So it's a pretty compact speaker. I've played around with it a little bit. It is fairly loud, and you've got your two, what I would assume to be like subwoofers on the side, and then you've got your tweeters in here underneath this fabric. On the back you have your power button, you have your sync button, so this is if you use the JBL Connect app, you can sync up two speakers with this. These 5 LEDs I would assume are your power indicators, because I've had like 3 minutes to play with this and that's about it. Under this flap right here, you have your aux input and your micro USB input. And then you've got your buttons here. This is your pairing button, your volume up and down, and this does control the volume on your phone. And then a phone button to answer calls with. Did I just have a fly into my lights? Are you trying to suicide on my set? What's wrong with you? There'll be no suicide in my videos. And then you have this little strap to carry it around with, or strap it somewhere, mount it somewhere. Why are you in here? How do you get in here? So I'm going to turn this on. It makes this interesting sound. And then if I press the Bluetooth button, it starts pairing. And you can tell if it makes that sound. And then over here on my iPhone, I'm going to open up my Bluetooth settings, and then it'll come up at the bottom as JBL Flip 3. And that's the sound it makes when you pair. So I'm going to go grab a song real quick, and let's see how this sounds. Alright, so this is 1/4 volume. It's kind of loud, if you can hear it over the truck that just drove past my window. It's kind of loud, so let's turn it up halfway. And then let's go full volume. speaker moving the bass of the song. So yeah, it's a really, really, really loud speaker. It's not like Bose surround sound, like Dolby Atmos, where you can feel every part of every sound. But for something that's this small, it's like about the size of my iPhone, it's actually not that bad. It's nice and crisp, it's clear. There's not too much hissing, even at higher volumes. There's not all that much hissing, so it's pretty clear. This little guy can be found on Amazon right now for about $66, $67. And then for those of you that are interested, the JBL Flip 4 is about $88 right now on Amazon. I'll have both of those linked down below in case you want to compare them, check them out. So overall, it's a really good speaker. This is just a quick hands-on unboxing and first impressions. I've only had about 10-ish minutes to play with this, so from my first impressions and unboxing of it, it's a really good speaker. I'm going to test this out over the next 2 or 3 weeks, and I'll come back with another video on how it's held up. Did you really just fly into my set? Like, I get it, you're a fly, that's what you do, but go away. But as I said before, links to purchase this and the newer iteration of this if you want to compare, see which one you want to buy. Those will be down in the description below. Guys, that's all for this video. If you liked it and you like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like on the video. Also, while you're down there in the description checking out the links and leaving a like, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so that way you get notified whenever I upload another video. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, guys, I'll see you later. Goodbye.